King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring king 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 got the hammer king I ain't got the chain dicks put it in my punches to pop pop pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, and welcome back to another video. If you are interested in learning how to make this pink frosted animal cookie inspired lip gloss, then keep on watching. So if you watched my last video, then you know that I was in love with the Ready Gloss from No Problema, but I still have all of this Get Sucker gloss base because I bought it in bulk. So I have to get rid of this before I start buying the Ready Gloss. And plus, I used all of the sample that they gave me on restocking other glosses. So in the next few videos, you might see me still using Get Sucker gloss base, but that is because I'm just trying to use all of it. It's still a great gloss base, but Ready Gloss is just a lot more easier because it's already made and I don't have to add oils or anything like that. So yes, that's just a heads up. I'm going to start by measuring out my gloss base. I have 5.7 ounces here, as you can see. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my liquid coconut oil and pour 3 tablespoons into my gloss base. Now, you know we gotta add our polyisobutene. Hydrogenated polyisobutene, if you do not know what that is, it gives your gloss extra shine and it also makes it extra smooth. Now we're gonna go ahead and give that a nice good mix. So about this flavoring oil from Get Sucker, I was highly disappointed when I ordered this Frosted Animal Cookie Get Sucker flavoring oil because I get all of my flavoring oils from them a lot of the time. I have a lot of different flavoring oils from them and I've never had this problem before. This one has like white residue in it and I really do not like that, and it has a shake well sign on the side of it, but when you shake it, the white residue does not go anywhere. So I cannot obviously use this lip liquid because it's just, it's flavoring oil. I cannot use it because it has white residue in it that's going to get in my gloss. It looks nasty to me, honestly, and I was just really disappointed when I got this. I emailed Get Sucker. They didn't get back to me, so that was very disappointing and surprising because I've had nothing but great experiences with them. But yes, I just wanted to show you guys the Frosted Animal Cookie flavoring oil because I don't want you guys to get this because I don't want you to have the same problem as me. So instead, I'm going to use their sugar cookie flavoring oil. I had bought a bunch of flavoring oils in bulk, so that's why I have this one. But yes, we're going to stick with the sugar cookie one for this gloss. In here, I'm adding 1 more tablespoon of oil because I wanted it to be a little bit more smoother. I felt like it was a little bit too thick. Now I'm going to add our yummy pink lip liquid to the gloss base to get that nice pink color for the pink frosted animal cookie look. Now I'm going to add these beautiful bright sprinkles that I got from Amazon to our gloss base for that cookie cracker feel. And here I am adding a little bit more sprinkles because who doesn't love sprinkles? Here's a closer look at the gloss base. I just wanted to give you guys a better view. It is absolutely beautiful and it's definitely giving what it's supposed to give, okay? Period. Alrighty, so now we're going to take our 20 milliliter syringe and start to fill these tubes. And as you all know, I definitely add a pipette to the end of my syringe so that I can easily reach the bottom of my tubes. So that is why my syringe looks longer than normal. So after filling all of the tubes, this is the beautiful outcome before I add the tops and the wands and give it a gloss bath. It is absolutely beautiful. So now it's time to give the glosses a gloss bath. A gloss bath just contains soap and water, and this is just to prevent your tubes from being sticky and just giving it some extra cleanliness. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I'm trying to step out of the box and be creative, so I hope you guys are appreciating it. But yes, I love the outcome of this gloss. It definitely gives me pink frosted animal cracker vibes. And if you love it, drop your favorite animal emoji in the comments below. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.
King got the hammer in the king got the hammer king got the hammer in the ring.